Ladies and gentlemen, we hit 1,000 subs. We did it!
We did it! Oh my God, we did it!
All right, we'll cut in the thing. Of course, as promised, we have to run a car into a brick wall. But first, I think we need a car and we need to do some modifications. Let's get to it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a car. Let's get to modifying. Alrighty. What a weapon. Okay. Bro's getting like B-roll of like the worst car known to man. So, this is our new and improved bush basher. Once upon a time, my first car. Now it just sits in the yard. So I thought we could repurpose it. Of course, we need some special modifications. Now, because this thing needs to become an off-roading weapon, I think that we need to, first off, implant a snorkel, as every four-wheel drive should have. But then I've also wanted a sunroof. So I figured if we just cut a nice sunroof-shaped hole in the top, we'll be good to go. Let's get to it. Yes. One more river crossing and that's all. Come on. Do you have like no balance? Oh. Come on, go. Please keep going. Dude, that thing's perfect, man. Look at that. Absolute weapon of a snorkel. Four-wheel drive guys, they wish they could have a snorkel like I do.
3 weeks later.
Ladies and gentlemen, I do have a confession to make. It's been like 3 weeks since that last clip, but a promise is a promise. I have a brick wall and we have a car to smash it with. So without further ado, let's get to it. Oh, I'm so scared right now. Let's go. Welcome to Pimp My Ride. We don't need brake lights either. I wonder what the guy like who's picking this car up for like collection is gonna think. Because I have to get rid of it somehow.
Yeah.
It's gotta go to the wreckers, bro.
You can't drive to the wreckers.
Nope. All right. I think we're ready.
Yeah.
Oh, bro, I'm actually so scared right now. Oh, bro, I'm actually so scared right now. Hey, we're good, everybody. We live. Hey, we're good, we're good. I think my GoPro fell off, bro.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Holy crap.
Yeah! Oh my days.
I don't know why, that was actually worse than I thought.
That was so much worse than I thought. Hey, we're good, we're good. I think my GoPro fell off, bro. How do I check?
Are you like actually hurt in any way?
No, we're good, we're good. I think I just...
Oh no. No, that looks so bad.
Bro, that looks so bad.
Sub's coming towards you.
Dude, it looks like it goes so fast. That's all she wrote. I wrote on my snorkel.
It's so funny how the just comes smashing. It just gets bigger and bigger. That's a legendary thing.
I need to get the camera. Oh, dude. Oh, hang on. Okay. Alright, we lived. I fulfilled my promise. I think this was a lot more stupid than I thought it was. Here is our aftermath of the damage. My snorkel broke, kind of disappointed. We got bricks flown everywhere. My front bumper is like gone. And my radio's dented and intercooler. I'm parked up on a brick. Headlights smashed. My windscreen, she's gone. Airbags went off. How do I even like get rid of these? Anyway, it's beeping at me. Hold up. I wonder if it starts actually.
No.
All right, let's see if it starts. Yeah, no, we got no go. We're shut off there. Airbags everywhere. Passenger 1, 2. Yeah, not too bad. What are your thoughts, Anthony?
Bro, that was so much worse than I thought. That was, I don't know, in your head you think, oh, he's just driving through a brick wall. It's like the car will protect him, but like, bro, that was bad.
All I'm thinking about is how much I have to clean up now. Oh, I'm so far zoomed in. This way. Especially because now the car doesn't start. I have to go and tow this up to the shed or something. I don't know how to move this thing. Anyway, that's going to do us for our 1000 sub special. Thank you very much for watching. Any thoughts, Anthony?
Subscribe.
Subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.